All right, how's everybody doing today? My name is Dominic. I'm reporting at you live. We're going to be having another very important business meeting today. Always remember throughout this business meeting, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. What we do here, we have a business meeting. The ultimate goal for the business meeting is to get rich. Go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the stock we're talking about today. Ticker symbol GRWG. Let me tell you why it's such an interesting stock. Zero debt. Company has zero debt. They've been doing a restructure their business. They've been closing down their unprofitable stores, making it a lean, profitable machine, and that's what's happening with the company. They're not profitable yet, but they will be by the end of this year. Zero debt. Company or the CEO used to trade on Wall Street. 15 years he worked on Wall Street. This guy, Darren Lampert is his name. We're going to be talking about the CEO today. We're going to be talking about the earnings that they just announced the other day. Showing improvements in their earnings. So let's go ahead and share the screen. Let's do a quick overview of their earnings, then we'll take a look over at their stock. So we got GrowGeneration reports second quarter 2026 financial results. Net sales of $43.2 million, up 5.5% year over year. Gross profit margin of 28.5% compared to 28.3% for the second quarter of 2025. Store and other operating expenses declined approximately 22% to $6.1 million compared to $7.9 million for the same period last year. So operating expenses are declining. That is a great sign for the turnaround. Okay, and they got the share repurchase and they're buying back shares. So and let's keep on reading here. So the net loss have been decreasing by $2.2 million year over year. Okay. The total operating expenses decreased $2.2 million or 13.1% to 14.7% in the second quarter of 2026 compared to $16.9 million for the same prior year. Net loss of $2.1 million compared to a net loss of $4.8 million for the same period in 2025. Adjusted EBITDA gain of $300,000 compared to a loss of $1.3 million for the comparable prior year in the same period. Cash and cash equivalents and marketable securities of $41 million and no debt. Okay, so they have cash of $41 million and no debt. Zero debt. I don't know how many times I got to say it, but that's how we're going to do it around here. Okay, so over here on the stock, they are repurchasing shares, $10 million. They've only used $1 million to repurchase the shares. Okay, and if we go ahead and zoom out on the chart, you'll be able to see the range that this stock has. Okay, if we go and zoom out on the chart, full-time chart, the highest this stock has ever been in 2020 was like $70. Okay, it was insane, but that was 2020. But the CEO of this company has stated that the company right now is in better shape, trading at almost $2 a share. It's trading at, it closed at $1.90 today, $1.89. Okay. The CEO said that the company's in better shape right now, trading at $1.89 than it was when it was trading at $60 back in 2020. All right. So the CEO of this company, Darren Lampert, this is the guy right here. All right, so if we go ahead and read his professional background, he started his career as a lawyer where he specialized in securities litigation and compliance and corporate finance. He earned a Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration from Ithaca College. And then his experience on Wall Street from 1999 to 2014, he worked as a portfolio manager and proprietary trader at various broker-dealer firms. He also held a role as a private investor from 2010 to 2014. Leadership at GrowGeneration. As CEO and chairperson, Lambert has been instrumental in guiding GrowGeneration through capital market navigation, acquisitions, and strategic business initiatives. His dual experience in finance and law has been cited as a key asset in managing the company's public market challenges and opportunities. Okay. I totally agree with that because this guy, ever since that I've been investing in the company, like since for years, so he's been all out, going out on this company. The turnaround is happening. They've been lowering costs. Operating expenses, you can see it in their earnings, okay? And they have that $10 million share repurchase program. And they've only used $1 million of it, okay? So they have $9 million left to repurchase of the share repurchase program, all right? So place a comment down below. Let me know what you think, where the stock's going to go. Like I said, the share repurchase program, I don't know if they're going to do it like a controlled program or they're just going to keep buying it up. Who knows what they're going to do, but they said that they repurchased on the earnings call. They said that they repurchased the shares at $1.40 or $1.38 or something like that. They said. Okay, so place a comment down below if you're invested, if you've been looking in the company. Let me know what you think. Just always let me know what you think about the stocks we're talking about, because that's what I need your advice on what I'm doing, and this is how we do it around here. And always remember, the ultimate goal for the YouTube channel is to get rich.